Good evening, everybody. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Saturday, February the 19th. It's actually the 20th. It's almost 1 a.m. Central Time, and we're still breaking Bomb Box Jersey Plus series. It's a one box break. Randomed up our 24 remaining box numbers. 20 was what we got. We did random team sales on your left. Team's customer has been randomized, alphabetized. We gave everybody a chance to trade. Pop. No one's really making offers. I'm just going to double check chats one last time. I actually meant to do that before we pop there. Nothing on Breakers, YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook. So we're good to go. All right, here we go, everybody. Well, bam! Going to be the MMA spot, guys, with the Jorge Masvidal MMA glove for the MMA spot. Also going to be the Chase Young, guys, Nike jersey that has the Fanatics hologram on it. That is a Nike, guys. Like I said, that jersey right there, not a bad hit at all, guys. Get the damn thing open. Ugh. I hate when they tape that shit like that, man. But bam. Again, Chase Young, Fanatics hologram. She is one of the silk screen guys. This is a licensed jersey, not a China. Going to be Mr. Chase Young. Let me just fold that real quick, and then I'll grab Masvidal. I don't know why the hell I didn't put Masvidal in the damn box. Then he actually fits. The gloves fit. But very nice jersey there, guys. I said about a $250 jersey, maybe even more in some places there. I said, so that jersey alone worth what some of the other boxes we opened tonight were. Very nice hit for the Washington Commanders. I'd rather call them the football team, man. I gotta be honest about that. Yep, not big on the Commanders name at all. Let me grab Jorge. Boy, I really wrapped the shit out of that. Oh, Lord. Right, again, JSA sticker and card. Going to be the Jorge Masvidal glove for the MMA spot, everybody. Second, guys, those silver cigs always freak me out on the black leather stuff like that. So I just want to wrap that. Shit, there goes one of my dice. Oh, come on. Bag. Alright, so Washington and MMA. Damn garbage out of there. Alright, so who is Washington? Well, golf gonna hit on that one. Sorry, everybody else is gonna get the young. Alright, who has MMA? Well, Nick. Not a monster hit, Nick, but a hit's a hit there, bud. Alright, the Jorge Masvidal going to Nick. The young jersey going to Golf God. Alright, if anybody does want to keep for tomorrow, guys, I'll give you $1 off, guys. Yep, so if anybody does want to keep for tomorrow, you can keep it 12, but you gotta send tonight, guys, because I don't want to have to chase people down tomorrow for that. So if you do want to keep, you get the $1 discount, but you gotta send tonight, folks. So that's gonna wrap it up, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, Bobby 2 Pops break.